Hey, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and everybody else. Captain Jack here. First mate Jenny over there. Behind me, you can't see them, is the Billy Bones, the parrot family, and all sorts of other stuffed things. And we broke out the Christmas Gretsch, and that's the mean Gretsch, and he's got a cigarette and all like that. Welcome back to the channel. It is currently 7 bells on the forenoon watch. Seven bells on the forenoon watch means that it is 11:30 a.m. So remember, if you want me to, I'll go ahead and make a video to tell you how those bells work and why the British have certain bells that don't work like they used to work. They've changed things around. What happened is I'm not wearing my beautiful Captain Jack the Pirate's Life for Me t-shirt that Frida and Lent sent me from way over the ocean. And I love it so much that if I wear it too much, it'll wind up being just falling off and burning. So for what I'm doing today, I'm going to be just wearing a protective thing. These came in through the mail, and I know you can't see what they are, but I'm fixing to show you. And if I'd been smart enough, now, let's cut them open. What happens is you order these, there are 4 of them to the package. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bunch of guitar picks. Now, if you're like me, a guitar pick is a good thing to pick your teeth with, because I cannot use one. My great friend and master musician, Raggy, he doesn't use them with finger pick. But anyway, you get those. What these are hangers for ukulele, guitar, banjo, whatever it is. I can't get this one to work, but anyway, whatever it is goes in here, and that's what you use to hang your guitars and banjos and mandolins and ukuleles, mainly for me. So what I'm going to be doing today, getting ready to hang up all these instruments I've got, and I've got a bunch of them. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my Gretsch and I'm going to clean my Gretsch up. Just lightly get the dirt and the dust, use the pledge on it or something like that. Now, when I get time and after this COVID-19 thing's done, I'll be taking it up to Action Sound and they will clean it. They will take it apart and buff it with their big buffers, and it'll look like the day it came out of the factory. This particular Gretsch happens to be the one that Chet Atkins chose for the foundation for the Country Gentleman Gretsch, which was the next year after this one. He went to work for him, Chet Atkins went to work for Gretsch and stayed with him. And the Country Gentleman is a wonderful one. Now, Jenny bought me this guitar, and let me put this other one. Jenny bought me this Gretsch when I came back from Alaska. I had a Yamaha gut string, nylon string guitar, and she bought me this one, this beautiful Gretsch. So let me get it. You see I've already laid out my cloth here, tied down here to the workbench. Hold on. There, as much as you can see it. What will happen when I take it up to Action, they'll strip it down to nothing. And then they've got these huge buffing wheels and special compounds that will clean all of this up. But what I'm going to do today with this one, and with whatever I do next, I'm just going to clean them up with take some pledge and clean it up and make it look pretty good. So that's what we're fixing to do. Let me get it laid out here. Look at there, it actually fits. Right there. Pledge, right here. You can see here from years ago, I tried to clean it with an alcohol-based thing, and it did that to it. So they'll put it on the big buffers and bring that back. And I don't know, maybe even this will work. Let me find the rag that I had. You can tell I'm so dang organized. I'm so organized that I don't have anything ready. Here we go. So, y'all seen? Let me see if I can make my camera do. It's got some tricks it does, which I just learned how to do today. Yeah, but that's too much, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, that's the way it's going to be. So, here again, this is probably going to be a sped up video. Okay? So I'll quit talking now and start seeing if the pledge is going to do any good on the Gretsch finish. These things in those days were hand finished. This is before Gretsch was sold out to the Japanese, the Chinese, the Taiwanese, or whoever the hell they were, and they were made in America. When I needed to have this one repaired one time, and I didn't know anybody locally, oh yeah, hey, is that doing the job or what? I didn't know anybody locally, so I called Gretsch, and Gretsch said, yeah, you send them to, and he named this guy's name, and you send them by Greyhound bus, and it's a place up in Arkansas. And they had two guys that were luthiers, and one lady, I think she was married to him. They're all about my age. I'm 79 years old today, and they were about my age, and you put it on the bus, and you send it up to Arkansas, and they fix it and send it back to you. Now, some of these guitars they're sending up there are many, many thousands of dollars, and I'm saying, wow, all of us driver has to do is pick it up. So this is Roy Clark's old Gretsch and sells it, you know. But anyway, I didn't do that, and I'm glad I didn't, because I was worried about it every inch of the way. So I'm going to be cleaning it. See you later. that does it for the Gretsch.